The original glove box cable in the F100 is notorious for snapping, and the one in our F250 is actually snapped as well. So today we're going to replace it with this glove box cable. This glove box cable is exactly what you need if your original one is broken, missing, or you just want to add that fine detail to your restoration. It's designed to fit the 1967 to 79 F100, and it will restore the original look and functionality to your glove box. It's 5 inches long, so it'll fit just like the original, and comes with new mounting screws as well. For more information and pricing, click the link in the description down below. Now let's get to the install. Alright, so we're inside our F250, and as you can see, our glove box cable is completely snapped. It's snapped right up here at the connection, so we're going to remove these 2 screws and replace this old busted piece of crap. We're going to remove the screw on the door first. And you can just set these aside unless you want to reinstall your old screws, because this kit does come with 2 new screws. And remove the other screw. Grab your new cable and place a screw through it and install this onto the dash side. Get the screw started, but don't fully tighten it just yet. Take the other screw and place it through the other end of the cable. Lift up on the glove box and thread it in. Then you can get this one fully tightened and come back up here and tighten this one. All right, and now our glove box works just like factory with a nice new cable. Okay, we got our glove box cable installed in our F250, and now it's looking and performing just like it was from the factory. Super easy to do this. All you need for this installation is a Phillips screwdriver and maybe 2 minutes, and before you know it, you'll be heading down the road. We hope you enjoyed this video. To subscribe to our YouTube channel, click the link right here, and for more videos like this one, click this playlist.